Hello. So, hi guys. I hope your quarantine is well and good and you all are staying indoors. And finally, நான் live வந்திருக்கேன் because many people asked me to come live, so உங்க எல்லாரும் பார்க்க நான் வந்திருக்கேன் just for you guys. So it's been very long time. I think last live.
Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more updates.
I came or 6-7 months back, so I wanted to meet you all and பார்க்கணும் நீங்க எல்லாரும் என்ன பண்றீங்க, how is your time going on, எவ்வளவு பேர் சமைக்கிறீங்க, எவ்வளவு பேர் வந்து பைத்து வரீங்க, how many people are working out, they doing the duties. Hey Divakar, hi. And thank you. Adena peru I hate you. You should be like I love you. Spread love always. Quarantine la eppadi pogudu thalaivi? I think in fact we are home, safe ah irukom, and adu meeri we have duties to do at home, so that is staying at home. So I think nalla poitu irukku, productive ah irukku. I think I want to appreciate everybody who's coming and avanga laziness la vittu kodutittu they are coming up with so many tasks and so many things, so huge respect to you. And hi MC Aishwarya, and hi Asia Fuyashika, how are you? And நிறைய பேர் வந்திருக்கீங்க. Hi Morgan. நீங்க வந்து questions கேட்கலாம். I just came to do a quick live, like ஒரு 10 minutes I'm gonna be here. Hey Radhika, Rekha Ben, miss you. Miss our times. I can't wait quarantine to get over and I can just take my bullet and come to your house. Yeah, I know it's kind of unexpected, but it's a surprise for all my fan pages who wanted me to come live. Hi David Saran, எப்படி போகுது வாழ்க்கை? So என்னோட நெக்ஸ்ட் ஃபிலிம் வந்து ஐ திங்க் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இந்த கொரோனால முடிக்கணும், and after that I have a lot of things coming. Mine and Mahat Sivandan Uttaman is coming, and definitely miss you too Radhika. And Rajabhima is coming with Arav, and ஒரு web series I'm doing for Viacom 18, that is also coming. And what else? My best friend, என்னோட என்ன சொல்றது, better half உமாவோட my one movie is coming called Siddhai Shiva. So அதில் வந்து ஒரு total different character இருக்கும். Yes, I'm staying home. You can see I'm home. Are you at home? Thank you baby. Tanu. Hi Ganesh. Hi Tubyan. Finally yes, I come live. I'm a big fan of your eyes. Thank you. Guys, many people asking me to take the filter, but I like this filter a lot. So I know நீங்கள என்ன பார்க்கணும், but எனக்கு இந்த filter ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கு. See, Tequila is good. So Tequila வந்து she's running away from me right now. So I'll call her in some time. Let's see if she comes. Hi Manoj. Thank you Ryder Bantu for your good wishes. And you're considering to act in any Telugu movie, Vijay. So yeah, I do want to act in Telugu movies, but I think time varum, so we'll wait for that. And for those of you who don't know, I have a twins sister. That's my twin sister. Brother. Oh. And who else is there? You can ask me some questions. Don't take the filter, it looks perfect on you. Thank you siso. கல்யாணம் எப்போவா? சந்தோஷமா இருக்கிறது பிடிக்கலையோ? Favorite destination right now kitchen, because corona nala kitchen la da nariya is my safeguard materials and food ella ange da irukum. Who else is there? What are you guys doing? Enna pandringa? Some people are called. Okay, sorry, someone is calling me, so I just put it on airplane mode. Try small curls look. Okay, I'll try. Kya hua?
How is your quarantine?
Hi. You speak Telugu. Can you want me to speak Telugu? I don't know much Telugu. I just know like ఏం చేస్తున్నావు, ఎక్కడ ఉన్నావు, and సరే, అవును, and నా చాలా ప్రేమిస్తున్నాను. దట్స్ ఆల్ ఐ నో. Raju, volume come. Hey Hachu, hey Prashant, hey Mithun, hey Kiran, hey Apple, LVR, Ati. Lens nalla irukka, thank you. Your favorite actor? எப்பவுமே தலை ஃபேன் தான். அதுக்கு வந்து தளபதி ஃபேன்லாம் சொல்ல முடியாது, பட் தலைனா தனியா மாஸ். And hi Ashika Queendom. வேற என்ன இருக்கு இந்த லைவ்லலாம்? What's this? What's this? You guys have asked me questions. Tap a response to show it on screen and share it with your viewers. Broke up with my girl bestie and it hurts more than anything. So here's a question that broke up with my girl bestie and it hurts more than anything. So yeah, so girl best friends are like very special because more like sisters. So எப்படி இருந்தாலுமே we have to come out of it. Right now what is the time? 11:52. How to take off this thing? Okay, this live is different after so long. So எல்லாரும் தூங்கலையா? Like around 5,000 people haven't slept in there on my live. Say one bad word. Yash Papa. Hi Pinky. Hey Panda. Then Avatar Kutti. Shaitan Kutti na. Hi Mridul, how are you? मुंबई से बहुत प्यार आ रहा है. So cute. మీరు इतना చాలా తెలుగులో మాట్లాడను దీది. The way you speak Telugu is so cute దీది. Hope you both speak in Telugu if we ever met again. సరే నా నీకు మీట్ చేస్తాను. Okay, leave it. I'm not gonna spoil it. Love from Haryana. Hi, thank you. Butterflies look like tattoo. This is like my favorite filter right now. என்ன ஆன்சர் பண்ணல sorry you can ask me again. Sorry guys, if I have missed something, please just ask me again. Hi Javed. Hi Kuti Sidhu. Hey Ashik, I love you so much. Rohit, hi. Are ringing. Wow, your names are a little confusing here. Hello from Dubai. Hi. Tamil nalla pesreenga. Thank you. Nandri. Hi, your eyes damn pretty. Thank you. Beautiful girl always. Thank you. Is Rajneesh asleep? Who's this? Underscore TXMEKEX. He's awake. குளிக்கவே மாட்டேனே ஆமா பட் இப்போ ரொம்ப சம்மரா இருக்கு ஸோ குளிக்கணும் இப்போ எல்லாரும் குளிச்சிருங்க then how do you pass time so நான் வந்து I play Ludo I play Snake and Ladder I tried playing PUBG also but I'm not too like into PUBG yet and listen to music. Then what do? Be on the phone, reply to like my fans, everybody, and TikTok. Yeah, I watch a lot of TikTok. I eat a lot of junk food and workout la vandu I don't think I have worked out yet, but I suggest you all to work out and keep yourself healthy. Don't be lazy like me. Tivian, you're asking for a mock joke, but right now I'm not able to think about something because our life itself has become a joke right now. Thank you, hipster. Tamil nalla pesreenga. Thank you. Enoda Tamil appreciate பண்றதுக்கு நன்றி. உங்க phone number 7912931945.
Hello.
Then who else is there? And எப்படி இருக்கு எனக்கு புறமே இருக்கு. It's good to spread love, dear. What about this filter? Or what about this? A unicorn? Or நான் டெய்லி உங்களுக்கு மட்டும்தான் ஸ்டோரி போடுறேன் ப்ளீஸ் see my story. Hi Dio Rider, நன்றி. இதுக்கப்புறம் கண்டிப்பாக உங்கள் ஸ்டோரி பார்க்குறேன். யாரோ என் நம்பர் வந்து டைப் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. You guys, happy April Fool. And the number is not mine, yeah. Maybe you can just give me a missed call and see. Talk in Hindi. Hi. कैसे हो? क्या हाल चाल है? कैसे चल रहा तुम्हारा क्वारंटाइन? हिंदी में बात कर ली. And what about this one? No. This one. This one's the best. Hi, smiley girl. Tivian, Mati udra. Hi. Please, guys, you can ask me something. I already told enough highs to you. Say my name, dude. Dinad. Now everybody will ask for their names. Hi, Triceps Maddie. Thank you. Hey. That number, please give a missed call. சாப்பிட்டாச்சா? எஸ், நான் ரசம் சாதம் சாப்பிட்டேன் வித் பொரியல். நீங்கள் என்ன சாப்பிட்டீங்க? Are you using lens? No, it's a filter, darling. How is Niru bro? He's good. He's happy. And it's me, Karthik. Says I love you. Okay. Thank you. Parota mutton. Will you be coming back to Malaysia? Hoping when we all can travel safely. Kandipa, I just wanna go somewhere. Yeah. Irukka mudiyala ya veetla.
एक बोल रहे थे हमें शूट कैसे करती क्वारंटाइन
There's no shooting, guys. Everything is on pause.
ये तो पोस्ट डालती है ना
That's all my throwback pictures. And fan from Mumbai. Hi, Shiva. Hi, Janani. When's your marriage? I'm 20 years old. Please. Where is Balakrish bro? Maybe in his house. What's your degree? I'm just 12th pass. Sanath, hi. Any chance to come to Sandalwood soon? Fingers crossed. How was it working with Vijay Deverakonda? So after seeing Arjun Reddy, I really like every girl. I had a crush on him, and I was like, what if I get a chance to work with him? And Abdi, I got an offer from Studio Green to work with him. It was like, Abdi sonnone adu nadanduchilla. So it was a good experience. He's very friendly and very talented. Tamil Abdi, he was learning on the spot and speaking all the dialogues, and he's a very sweet person. Hi, Mr. N.S. Prabha. Sorry. Hi, Ashika Varian. Eppadi irkeenga? How are you, Ajit? Did you complete your college? Yeah, I completed college by going to other colleges to like judge or something, but na padikkalaya. What about Corona? Corona is Corona. Adu per sonnale podum.
देख लीजिए भाई कितने पैसे
You still remember my name, dear? I do. If I get to work with Talapati or Tala, I'll be honored to work with both. So yeah.
तेरे भाई कितने पैसे देख मेरे बारे में मुझे तेरे से शीशा में
I'm good. Love you guys. Hi. Yashika Verin. I'm good. This filter. Did you wanna come live with me?
No.
Why?
No.
Taki ko legera. Hi. Thanks for all the love from Malaysia. I want to know from where you guys are. Just let me know from where you are.
Way to go.
Idhar aao. Baby? Baby? Go. Hi Jay Prakash. Chennai. Hey still summer. Ayyo mutiyo varliya. And Tirupati. Hi. Tirupati. Good vibes. And a lot of people from Chennai. Coimbatore. There comes Coimbatore. Taku, come here. Taku, there's so many people who want to see you. Come here. And who's Malaysia? Hi. Irangal. I don't know how to pronounce it. Irangal. Okay, I'm right.
PUBG
And hi from Malaysia again. And Pondicherry. peaceful place. America, Dubai, hi. Omar. टकी कहाँ है? यहीं पर है. आ नहीं रही. इधर आओ टक्कू. टक्कू come.
Food.
Once come on.
Take a food.
Come on. Kovai. Vikandi. Where's Vikandi?
Weekendy.
Vikandi?
Weekendy. PUBG के मैप की बात कर रहे हैं.
Seriously?
हाँ.
They're talking about PUBG and all.
Yeah.
Hey guys, इन्हें मत रिंगला. Bangalore, hi. Tirunelveli, Irut, and Kalyan Vihar. आप कब दिल्ली आ रहेंगे मैडम जी? सोन जल्दी आऊंगी.
ये देख. क्या है? Irangal. Weekendy.
I came live because நிறைய பேர் நீங்க தானே சொன்னீங்க ப்ளீஸ் லைவ் வாங்க ப்ளீஸ். Nayur also is PUBG. No, okay. So, how are you guys passing time? I wanna know. Like, na soli time. I told you guys how I am passing time. What are you guys doing? Let me give me some ideas if I can just use them. Money Heist's favorite character, Professor, and then Berlin, and then Tokyo, then
Denver.
Nairobi. Denver. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha. திருச்சி ரொம்ப சீக்கிரமா வர போறேன். You get so pretty. Thank you. Netflix is lifesaver. Definitely. Yeah, my charge is gonna get over in like I think 5 to 10 minutes. I'm in my house, guys. I have watched 4 more shots, please, Divyan. It's Palaya Kada Seriya. Nalla paathiyachu. I'm waiting for the next season. அடுத்து எப்போ பிக் பாஸ்? ஐ திங்க் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இதெல்லாம் முடியணும்யா. எல்லாரும் சேஃபாக இருந்தால் we can think about going back to work. Thank you, Datto. आप सबका मैसेज पढ़ रहे हैं दीदी. इट्स अ बिग थिंग. आप खुश बना. थैंक यू बेबी. Tom is good now, Yashika. And now you're so pretty, bro. Hi, Annie. Can't be funny. Yeah, I got it. Season 2 today. Oh wow, Divyan, I'm gonna see today now. IMK2 ku vandu I was called, and I know like IMK2 vandu evlo enakku recognition kudutuchu, and nariya per vandu you know me through IMK. So because I got busy with something else and I couldn't make it. Yeah, தலைவி வந்துட்டாங்க. வெங்கட் ஹாய். ஹாய் TN56 rider. Yeah, go corona go. Correct. Hi, what is your favorite food? I like momos. Then I like karakolam, morukolam, then potato fry. In the soorla I like a lot. And then I like this filter is also good. But this is too much. And then I like is this aloo paratha. Have you put down weight? Yes, I've lost some weight. Yeah. Too chubby, hey, no, I lost weight, poya. Apparently, you know Telugu also. I don't know Telugu, I'm learning, but definitely if I get a chance, I'm waiting to act anytime with Vijay. Because people don't want me to put filter for a while, so I go without filter for some time. And guys, I'm gonna leave in 5 minutes, so if you have any final questions you can ask me. So na answer pannoni, I'm gonna go play Ludo. And see, I have come no makeup look also, like many people wanted that, so here you go. Sorry Gauda Kiran. Thank you Kevin. What is your 12th mark? I think I got 70%, I think. What's your favorite color? Black. Next movie yaar kuda? Mahat and Umapati and Arav. Without filter. Here you go. Hi Priya Srini, sorry. Will you play PUBG? I'm trying. And Afi, gorgeous, thank you. Your Ludo ID is same, Yashika Anand only. If you want, you can just add me. I'll see. And you lost weight in Big Boss. You lost weight then in Big Boss. Yeah. Coached after Big Boss. You're always pretty with the makeup. Yashika Vivian, thank you. Surya or Vijay? I think both are in same way because Surya has always been my childhood crush, okay? And Talapati is always Talapati, so it's hard to choose. What else? Okay, just 5 more minutes. உங்களுக்கு கொரோனா இருக்கா? இருந்தா கூட நம்ம லைவ்ல பேசினா கூட உங்களுக்கு வராது, நீங்க கவலைப்பட வேண்டாம், சரியா? क्या Greenath is your biggest fan. He literally has your posters all over his room. Please just tell hi Giri. Hi Giri. My mail ID is there in my bio. You can take it from there. And guys, sing a song when my voice is வந்து கேட்க முடியாது, and I'm not like that melodious and the la 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 அப்படிலாம் என்னால பாட முடியாது. Maybe one day நான் கண்டிப்பா I'll try to sing, but give me some time. Big Boss 3க்கு வாங்கவா? வந்துட்டேன். இப்போ Big Boss 4 வரணும். கரோனால என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு உங்களுக்கு? Then we sing anytime. Suppose corona வந்தா என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? இப்போ I'm taking all the precautions for it to not come, and I wish that it doesn't come to you either. வந்துச்சுன்னா அந்த நெகட்டிவ் தாட்டும் வேண்டாம். I think keep yourself positive, guys. Hi Vaishali. Ashika, when will you come Coimbatore? I think idella murchu. Butta mama, miss you. Thank you. And okay, so I'm gonna take a leave now. So just will come live again in like 2-3 days. I'll try my best to come live again and see you guys. So ipathukku bye bye. Stay safe. வீட்ல இருங்க, ஹெல்தியா இருங்க, and அப்பப்போ என் படம் பாருங்க, அப்பப்போ லூடோ ஆடுங்க, அதுக்கப்புறம் நெட்ஃப்ளிக்ஸில் நிறைய இருக்குது. மணி ஹைஸ் பாருங்கள், நிறைய பேர் பார்த்துருக்க மாட்டீங்க, அது பாருங்கள். அண்ட் நிறைய விஷயம் இருக்குது வீட்டில் இருந்து. just be productive. Love you all. Thank you for staying live with me and being there. So I'm just planning to show you tequila, that's all, before it's ending. That's all. Tequila do Tuku. Here you go. Tuku's here. Tuku Tuku. Say hi. Bow bow. Hey. Say bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.